Welcome. Today, we're diving into Microsoft Office and its significance in boosting productivity essential for students and professionals alike. But did you know there are free alternatives to Microsoft Office that can still meet your productivity needs? Let's take a look at some popular options. One of the best free options is Microsoft Office Online. It offers web-based versions of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, which can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. New users can also explore trial versions of Microsoft Office. These give you full access to all features for a limited time, allowing you to see if it's the right fit for you. If you're a student or educator, you may qualify for free access to Microsoft 365 Education. This provides not only Office tools, but also additional benefits tailored for educational use. Keep an eye out for promotional offers and discounts. Microsoft often runs deals that can make subscriptions more affordable. Another way to access Microsoft Office tools for free is through mobile apps. They provide robust features allowing you to work on the go. However, be aware that free versions do come with limited functionality. If you need advanced features, you might have to consider the full version. So, is free Microsoft Office right for you? It definitely depends on your needs. Evaluate what features are essential before making your decision. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and updates on productivity software.